The PS5's Create button makes it easy to capture screenshots of videos while you're playing, but this media doesn't have to live on your console. Here's how to transfer your gaming memories for sharing, backup, or simply to free up space. Using the official PlayStation app to transfer screenshots and videos to your phone is probably the fastest and easiest way to share your media. This works for all screenshots and videos that are under 3 minutes in length at less than 4K resolution. You can adjust your PS5 capture settings on your console. First, download the app for iPhone or Android and sign in to your PlayStation account. Tap the Game Library icon in the bar at the bottom of the app. Then select the Captures option near the top. You should see all of your recent captures appear. Download them to your device by opening them and selecting the arrow icon in the bottom right corner. To upload multiple captures at once, select the checkmark icon on the left side of the media gallery that says Select Multiple, and you can pick a series of captures to upload simultaneously. Though, for private messages, you need to select Share rather than the 3 dots at the bottom. For easy transfer to a PC, or if you'd prefer not to clutter your mobile device with game captures, you can also use an external USB drive. Insert the drive into one of your console's USB ports, and then select the captures you want to share. You may need to format this drive using your PS5 under Settings, Storage, USB Extended Storage, Format as USB Extended Storage before it can be used. Launch the Media Gallery app and select the 3 dots in the bottom right corner and choose Copy to USB Drive. A pop-up will appear confirming the number of captures selected. Verify that you've selected the right amount of captures and then select Copy. With the transfer complete, you can insert the drive into your PC or Mac to access your media. To do this, open File Explorer, Windows, or Finder, Mac, and navigate to the USB device's storage. You should see a folder called PS5. Open it, and then open Create, Screenshots, and then find the folder named after the game from which you took your desired captures. This is where you will find your saved screenshots or videos and can then copy or save them to your PC directly or share them as you wish.